Hello friends, today we're going to unbox Bestest Compressor Nebulizer. So this is the one I ordered from Amazon.com. So it comes around some 1200 or 1150. So based on the offer. So this comes with 1 year warranty. Actually, this is very useful for both the adult and kids actually. So it's very useful for if you have some kind of respiratory illness or anything, or maybe for cough or cold. So this is low noise and efficient respiratory therapy. So let's unbox and see what's inside. So it's a product from INC USA. Yeah, let's see what's inside. Yeah, this is they're just mentioning that what are the products available from New Inc. So they have this some kind of breast pump, electric and double something. Everything is like related to this mother's thing. They have the foot streamer, baby warmer, and baby cat something, and it just like 6 month extended warranty. You can do that. Yeah. And they mentioned like how to avail that 6 months extended warranty, because the product comes with usually 1 year warranty, so we can extend up to 6 months warranty. Yeah, actually this comes with the pipe and that mask actually for the adult and kid. Actually small one is the kid one and big one is outcome, and also mouth piece one also we can get. And it comes with a thermometer is free actually. So actually this is very good one. Yeah, this is the actual product actually. So this product we will just remove it. This comes with one switch, on and off switch, and not sure like maybe this like adjustable, maybe why will do a full review on this actually, how to use and all. Yeah, this is not sure like maybe this is the air filter actually, so maybe you can remove this filter. Yeah, actually this is the air filter actually. It comes with a 5 pre-filter actually, so you don't need to worry about the changing the filter. So this is the air filter guys. Actually you just need to remove it and see. Actually you can just remove this one. Yeah, this is a remove this one and use it. We'll just put it back. We'll just put it back and put the lid back. Yeah, this is very easy to use actually, that's all. So maybe we'll just for time being we'll just check the sound, how it sounds like, because they have mentioned it's like a very low noise one, so we need to make sure, I mean, if it's low noise or something. So we'll do a test now. So we'll just remove it, we'll just plug it into the socket. I'm seeing the air is coming out. It's very efficient. It's similar to how we are using in the doctor's room or the clinic. It's not making much noise actually. Yeah, you can close now. You can switch off now. And we just see what are the contents inside. We just want to make sure what are the pipes there. So one it has like air pipe. It has 2 masks actually. So one is for the kids mask, and one is for the adult mask. And it has like the pipe. Yeah, this is like a mouthpiece one. Yeah, it's ideal for all ages actually. It's effective medication delivery, one button operation, easy to handle and carry. and it's very easy. It has comes with air tube and medicine chamber and 5L filter mouthpiece and children's shield and pediatric mask, and it weighs like 1.4 kilo. Actually, it's really nice, guys. I would really recommend this one. Actually, you can go ahead and buy in the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.